what is going on. Hi guys, I'm Riddhi. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am so happy that you're here on my channel. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you who shower me with all this love and support. I am eternally grateful that you guys are liking my videos, you guys are sharing my videos and also commenting on my videos. मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि मुझे 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स इतने जल्दी मिल जाएंगे और इतने सारे लोग मुझे सपोर्ट करेंगे, मुझे कमेंट्स पे सपोर्ट करेंगे, मुझे डीएम्स करेंगे और सिर्फ इतना ज़्यादा ये प्लेटफॉर्म मेरे लिए इतना ज़्यादा कोजी कर देंगे. सो आई एम इटर्नली थैंकफुल एंड ग्रेटफुल फॉर ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू. प्लीज़ कमेंट ऐसे ही करते रहिए, प्लीज़ ऐसे ही लोगों के साथ मेरे वीडियोस शेयर करते रहिए. मैं अभी भी सीख रही हूँ, मुझे सब कुछ नहीं आता. मैं अभी भी CTA सीख रही हूँ. मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मैं अभी भी सीख रही हूँ. कुछ भी हो, कोई भी फीडबैक देना हो, you know where to go down in my comments below and just write everything that you want to talk about, you want to share about, you want to give me feedback, you want to talk about anything, you want to criticize me, you want to be generous, जो भी है just comment below. So you've already read the title, you know what this video is about. It's about my makeup routine for रक्षा बंधन. So मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में अपने रक्षा बंधन के आउटफिट्स दिखाए थे कि हम कैसे आउटफिट्स को स्टाइल कर सकते हैं. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो आई एम गोइंग टू लिंक माय वीडियो somewhere here, पता नहीं अब मैं तो वो तो figure out करना है, लेकिन somewhere in iCard or somewhere but definitely in my description box. Right now I don't have any makeup on my face, so let's start. So before we begin with our makeup, you always have to moisturize. Like, I cannot stress on this more. You always have to moisturize your face, even if you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, if you have patchy skin, if you have acne, whatever the case, you always have to moisturize. But you also do need to know कि कौन सा moisturizer कौन से skin tone के लिए suit करता है. तो if you want me to make a video on that, please leave a comment down below and I'll happily do that video. So I have a combination skin, so it has like my T-zone area is always oily and few parts of my face is always dry. So I'm using this Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer for combination skin. So before I apply this moisturizer, I'm going to tie my hair. So मैंने ना एक वीडियो देखा था here on YouTube जहाँ पे ना they show how important using SPFs are. Like SPF in makeup is not that good. मतलब वो आपको इतना कवरेज नहीं देगा, वो आपको सन से इतना प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करेगा जितना एक SPF करेगा. सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस न्यूट्रोजेना अल्ट्रा श्योर ड्राई टच सनब्लॉक. एवरी प्रोडक्ट का डिटेल इज गोइंग टू बी इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, सो मेक श्योर दैट यू डू चेक इट आउट. सो व्हाट आई लाइक टू डू इज आई लाइक टू यूज माई मॉइस्चराइजर एंड माई सनस्क्रीन टुगेदर because it's from the same company also. I think it works. So मैं ना बहुत थोड़ा सा ले लेती हूँ.
दोनों अनुजा इतना सा, and then I just try to rub it up, warm it up in my palm, and yeah, I just try to slap it all around my face and neck. Don't forget your neck; it's very important. Just spread it out evenly.
Okay, quick tip here, never go like this. It's always better to just push it down because you have toxins here, so it's always helpful that you push all your toxins down rather than upwards. That's not a good idea. So for the base, I'm going to use 4 products. All 4 of them are from Maybelline Fit Me. So for the concealer, now I try to keep my concealer ka shade as close to my face as possible, so as natural as possible. So the first shade that I'll be using is number 20. It's called Sand. So just take it
and apply it on your under eyes. And जहाँ पे भी थोड़ा pigmentation है ना, जहाँ पे भी redness है, वहाँ पे you can just apply it. So I have it here, I have it here.
Then with a foundation brush or a flat tip brush like this, I try to just go ahead. अगर आपके पास brush नहीं है ना, तो what you can do is just use your hands and just try to stroke it. पूरा ऐसे घुमाते मत रहना, like small strokes like this. This is what you can do. But right now I have a brush, so it's easier. And always try to cover your ears also. Try to go as close as possible to your under eye so that it's evened out. I always try to take the excess product on my neck, भले वो कोई भी प्रोडक्ट क्यों ना हो, पाउडर से लेके फाउंडेशन से लेके कंसीलर तक. So once I have my concealer, the first as natural shade as possible applied on my face, then I go with my foundation. So I have this foundation here. I think abhi na
Because of this lockdown, my skin has lightened up. But yeah, I still have quite a bit of this product left, so I'm going to use that. It's again from Maybelline Fit Me, and the shade number is 310 in Sun Beige. So if you have a similar skin to mine, then you can opt for Sun Beige. Even Natural Buff works better for a medium skin, Indian skin tone.
So I take this much of my product, try to always warm it up in my palm like this, and just dot it all around my face. फिर जो ये बचता है, I just always go ahead, always try to go back at the back of your neck as well. Now again you can use your hands, or you can use another foundation or stippling brush, whatever you call this. This is from Real Techniques.
So try to go in the circular motion. I really like to spread my foundation like this. इससे ना you don't get those brush strokes that people often get.
I always like to go over my eyelids as well, so that ना आपको अलग से कोई प्राइमर यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप बस खाली अपना फाउंडेशन और कंसीलर को ब्लेंड करते रहो. You get your eyelids primed at the same time.
So because my channel is all about budgeting, I try to share all these tips with you so that you don't have to use n number of products just to get few festive simple looks or even glam looks. थोड़े products तो obviously चाहिए, but आप एक products को अलग अलग तरीकों से कैसे use कर सकते हो वो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ. So yeah, once I'm happy with my foundation, see how much of a difference it made. I know. So I'm just making sure that there's no strokes.
So once I'm done with my foundation, I go ahead with another concealer, a lighter concealer than my skin tone, so that it highlights all my all the highlighting points. So now सबका face अलग होता है, सबका facial structure अलग होता है, but then तो the way the light hits on your face also is very different than the other person. But what you can do is try to keep few areas very similar. तो जैसे अगर मैं यहाँ पे, मैं यूजुअली यहाँ पे करती हूँ, तो आपने देखा होगा बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं, आप ऐसे लेंगे और उसको पूरा ही स्प्रेड करेंगे. If you have a wider surface like me, you can do that. But if you have a smaller surface area, आपके cheekbones थोड़े पास में है आपके आई से, तो what you can do is you can only dot it here. बस सिर्फ डॉट करो पूरा, आपको पूरी इस मैं दूसरी तरफ आपको दिखाई देती हूँ. Usually people do this. This is actually a lot more wastage of your product than just dotting it, because इससे क्या होता है, when you dot it, you understand कि आपको कितना product use करना है और कितना product आपके face पे जाएगा. इसमें क्या होता है, if you're applying this much of product, it's gonna slide onto your face जहाँ पे you don't even want this product to sit. So with the same foundation brush, I just जहाँ पे मैंने dot किया है, I just try to stipple it out. I just try to pat it in the product first, then go on my lid as well with the remaining or leftover in my brush, and then obviously try to circle it out. अब ना इसमें ना इतना प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है मुझको, बिकॉज अब मैं अगर डायरेक्टली इसको स्लाइड कर रही हूँ तो यहाँ का प्रोडक्ट यहाँ पे भी जा रहा है. सो अगेन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज जस्ट स्टिपल इट आउट फर्स्ट, एंड जितना भी एक्सेस अमाउंट है वो आपके ब्रश में आ जाएगा, एंड देन यू कैन यूटिलाइज दैट सेम अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट टू अप्लाई इट ऑन डिफरेंट parts of your face. So again, just try to stipple your product first. I try to go on my laugh line as well because it's pretty prominent on my face. So now once I have all my excess product on my face, I try to circle it out, try to make it as even as possible. फिर जितना भी बचा हुआ है, I just try to take it on my forehead. If you have a smaller forehead, try to focus on the middle part of your face, on my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my cheek, and a little bit on my cheek. I take the same concealer, the lighter one, and just try to dot and try to give an overline on my eyebrow. I'll tell you why. Because whenever you try to define your eyebrows with any makeup product, your eyebrows now get a little darker. Obviously, आप जितना भी उसको try कर लो कि same eyebrow color से आपका product match करे, obviously you're trying to define your eyebrows, तो वो dark होगा ही होगा, वो defined होगा. तो you always should try to line your eyebrows with a concealer so that you know it looks more evened out, it looks more better. I'm done with my base. I'm just left with one thing, that is contour. I use LA Girls Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Toast. This is Toast. I'm gonna get nice and toasty. So you take a little bit of product.
So one.
So there's a quick tip here. If you want to make your lips look a little filler, what you can do is apply your contour cream under your lips as well. I make weird faces while doing my makeup. I think everyone does, right? Again, I take the same round fluffy stippling brush by Real Techniques, and again I just go pat. Once the product is in, I go and in the same circular motion, you again have to go and just try to blend everything up. And always remember to go upwards, not downwards. Always upwards. Everything has to be up, not down.
The same thing goes here with that. So now that our base is done, let's move on to our eyebrows. I cannot get out of the house without doing my eyebrows. I feel quite naked. If you are the same, please comment down below. So another thing, ये ना, this bottle was actually a mascara जो खत्म हो गया है. So I washed it up, I cleaned it up. So I quite like this pulley of this mascara. See, it's quite tapered also. So I like doing it. I like brushing my eyebrows with this. So for eyebrows also you have to go upwards like this, not ऐसे. सीधे नहीं जाना है, upwards जाना है, like this. I'm so obsessed with anything eyebrows now that ये लॉकडाउन में तो कहीं जा नहीं सकते थे, and I wanted to get my eyebrows done very desperately. So what I did was मैंने खुद ही अपना eyebrow trim कर लिया, और उसका एक वीडियो मैंने IGTV पे डाला है. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, please follow me. The link is here and also in my description box. So do check it out. I'm so sad that this palette is broken, but yeah, it's from Makeup Revolution, the nude palette. So I basically just bought this palette for my eyebrows. So yeah. So as you can see, मेरा एक पूरा palette तो खत्म हो चुका है because I've used it so many times. So now I've shifted to another shade. for my eyebrows. This is a brush. It's an angular brush. So what I do is I just take products like this. I just swipe it up. Then I tap the excess pussy base so that I don't waste the product. We don't have to waste anything here. On this channel, we don't waste anything.
Because we have a lot of product on our brush right now, don't really start with the starting of your, like the tip of your eyebrow. Start with the center of your eyebrow. So what you do is take your angular brush. इस angle में करना है तो the slant has to be this way. If we're doing it this way, the slant goes this way. So this way and this way, this way and this way. Okay. So then you place it here and you just little strokes के साथ में, stroke by stroke, try to define the shape of your eyebrow. So if it's round, just go round. If it's a little angular, or if you want it to be a little angular like me, so just keep on watching. I hope you can see. Always start with the above line and then try to fill it in. Then raise your eyebrow so that you get a quite defined shape of your eyebrow. Then place it the product and जैसे हमने brush किया था ऊपर, you just have to do the same thing and just now you have very less product left onto your brush. So now you go ahead and you do it upwards. You go upwards. Keep stroking upwards like this. मेरा first time है, ठीक है? So please don't be judgmental. It's quite tough doing eyebrows on camera. Repeat the same for your other eye. Remember जो हमने mascara wand use किया था, we're gonna use the same thing and just brush it off again so that because it's powder, तो जो भी excess है वो अपने आप, if you're brushing it, if you're stroking it, it's gonna come off. There you go. So as I mentioned, I don't really have any colorful palettes, but I still try to, and I love to make beautiful colorful eye looks. So what I do is I use my blush. Yeah, yes you guys, I use my blush. I have this another fluffy eyeshadow brush by Vega. Pretty chindi, I know. This, and I'm using this shade. If you have a similar shade to this, it's a dark mauve shade, like very peachy, very tropical. So you stroke your brush like this, tap the excess again on the palette, you tap the product onto your eyelid. Do not swipe because it's not an eyeshadow, it doesn't have utna pigment. So obviously if you're using a blush as an eyeshadow, always pat it first. Remember, we've used concealer on our eyelid. That is going to behave like a glue for our eyeshadow. So see, I'm just patting it in like this. First, you open your eye, you see the difference. I love it. Take some more and then slowly try to build in the color. एक ही बार में अचीव करना चाहोगे तो नहीं होगा, बहुत फॉल आउट्स होंगे, यहाँ पे पूरा गिरेगा, बहुत कचरा होगा, फिर आप वाइप आउट करने जाओगे और फिर आपका जो बेस आपने बनाया है वो भी वाइप आउट हो जाएगा साथ में. I just blew it like this, yeah. I know, I thought ये सिर्फ मैं करती हूँ, लेकिन I figured out a lot of people do this. They blow the product away from the eyes. Repeat the same thing on the other eye. मैं ना दोनों eyes एक साथ करती हूँ, ऐसे नहीं कि पहले एक finish कर लो फिर दूसरा करो, नहीं. That takes a lot of time and nobody has enough time. Now what you do is again try to use the same circular motion and try to blend it up. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this brown. It's a very deep coffee brown earthy tone. I really love it. Now just see, open your eyes. Can you see this dent here? Now go like this. Try to figure out the place, and उस dent पे ना पहले place करना. So you mark it like this. Now you go ahead and fill that in first. नीचे यहाँ, ऊपर नहीं. ऊपर का area is always for blending. Remember. So जितना भी product you're taking and placing, you always have to place it below that crease line. Okay, and then you just have to crease it in like this. So opening your eye helps so that you know where your crease is, and then you just, with the help of a circular motion, blend everything in. Repeat the same thing again. So find the crease here. So see, the crease is here. I close my eyelid, I place it here, and that's my guideline.
So now, when I tap and place the product below that crease line, take some more product and place it in the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm just blending it in. See, I'm using again the same circular motion here. Don't forget to use this. Don't just do like this, like this, like this. No, it's going to give you a very defined shape on your eye. You still want the shape, but you also want it to be blended properly. I like to go with a lighter shade again over my darker shade so that it gives you a better definition of the transition. Basically, the transition is quite prominent and quite well defined there. अगर आपको कोई भी steps नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो feel free to comment below so that I can help you personally if I can. You can also DM me on Instagram. I'm quite active there. We still have to tight line our eyes. This might be a little scary for a lot of you, but yeah. So what you do is you grab your eye. So this is your waterline. You go like this on your waterline and just blink for a couple of times. Repeat the same, blink again, and you're done. See कितना बड़ा difference it creates just by doing that. I also forgot to show you guys what I do after my eyebrows actually. So once I'm done with my eyebrows now, I use the same product, the leftover product. Right now I forgot to show you, so I'm using some product. So what I do is use the same eyeshadow that I've used on my eyebrow and use it on my waterline. So what happens is if you use only if you use only on your outer corner of your eye, it opens your eye. See? Can you see the difference? How open this looks and how close this looks? Moving on to the most daunting task of this entire makeup tutorial. I think सबका ही बहुत सबसे scary, the most fearful part of your makeup routine is applying eyeliners. So I'm using the very conventional Lakme Insta liner. I love this so much. मैंने इतने सारे makeup liners use किए हैं, but I don't think so any product is gonna beat this one. Quick tip: whenever you buy, if you're buying it online, so I don't think so there's control over it. But whenever you physically go and buy this eyeliner, try to open the product
and see the tip of your brush. If it's opened, if it's fine, if it's not, if it's tapered, whatever it is, just try to figure it out कि कैसा है आपका brush, because this matters the most. This is your applicator, right? This is a product, but this is the applicator. So this has to be quite tapered and quite, I don't know how to show you. Can you see? It's quite thin, na? Like that. You open the product, you take it out. Right now it's like this, see, like a blob. Remove all the excess from the stick and from the brush. And apply. Okay. So I'm not gonna breathe and I'm not even gonna talk because I can't breathe also when I'm doing my eyeliner. But yeah, what you do is you look up. जो आपका eyebrow का end है और जो आपके eye का end है, try to make an imaginary line like this. So it has to be like this. Yeah. Can you see? So what I do is, then after creating that line, and then try to match to your crease line. This is your crease line, okay? I've seen so many people apply liners, but then there's this one thing that literally irritates me the most. Whenever you're applying your liner, please make sure that the liner is as close to your waterline or your lash line, because then it creates this weird gap in between and then your skin shows and then it looks quite unfinished. I hate that.
You need to have quite sturdy hands for this, yeah. Not breathing at all. I think this is the reason why many beauty influencers don't try to show how they put on their lashes or how they do their eyebrows or how they do their eyeliners, especially. See, I hate it. I hate it so much right now. Can you see how dramatic this eyeliner is? I don't think so. I hate it. It's quite dramatic though. Let it dry. I can be that. Sunita, मेरा hand dryer लेके आना. Now moving on to the other eye.
I'll do this eye and then be right back.
Okay guys, I had to pause this video here and explain you what happened actually. So after the liner process, I basically forgot to hit the record button and I foolishly I started doing my lipstick and my highlighter and did not even give any notice कि वो record हो भी रहा है कि नहीं. So I apologize for that. So let's continue with the video.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this look and that you learned something new from my video. For my next YouTube video, I'll be talking about my skincare routine and how I clear these pimples here in just 2 or 3 days. So stay tuned for that. And also just remember that each and every skin is beautiful in its own. No skin is better than the other. So just own your skin with confidence and there you go. As always, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you super soon. Bye-bye.